Hi. How to quickly change the background of a photo. I have a photo with a beautiful girl and we will replace the background on it with this one. Let's go. Transfer the photo with the girl to our working canvas and reduce it to the desired size. Transfer the photo with the background to the canvas and fit it to the size of the canvas. Cut off the excess. Make a copy of the layer with the girl and transfer from above to the photo with flowers. Click on the selection tool and choose Select and Mask. Then select Subject and click OK. Click Add a Mask. Let's reduce the size of the girl a little. To do this, press Command plus T on Mac or press Ctrl plus T on PC and holding Shift reduce the size. Click Adjustments and choose Brightness Contrast. Brightness move a little to the left. Contrast move a little to the right. If the video was useful for you, like, subscribe, click on the bell, it makes me happy and inspires me to new videos. Leave a comment and see you in the next video.